Welcome to our Kitchentale! Ngayon po, tayo ay magluluto ng adobong kambing na masabaw. It's an easy recipe! We need 1 1/2 kilo of kambing meat or goat meat with buto-buto. Then, 3/4 cup of soy sauce. A half cup of vinegar, then 1 1/2 cup of soda or sprite, then a tablespoon of crushed peppercorn. Lastly po, bay leaves, 5 pieces, cut into pieces. Now, let's do the process of marination. Ihahalo lamang po lahat ng mga rekado. And then, hayaan po natin ito for about 1 to 2 hours or mas maigi po ay overnight para lalong lumambot ang karne ng kambing. Well, to give you an info about kambing or goat meat, it lowers the risk of inflammation in blood vessel, stabilizes the heartbeat, contains cancer-preventing fatty acid, relatively high in protein, contains lower saturated fat than beef, helps burn fat, contains selenium and chlorine, prevents anemia, promotes hemoglobin production, good for blood circulation, prevents depression, contains omega-3 fatty acids, and many more. Ngayon po, let's cover it and chill it in the fridge. Now, let's do the process of cooking. Naglagay lamang po ako ng small amount of oil para sa paggisa po ng bawang at sibuyas. Ngayon po, kung pwede na yung bawang at sibuyas, pwede na po nating ilagay ang marinated kambing. Ngayon po, hayaan lamang po natin itong kumulo for about 25 to 30 minutes or depende po sa karne ng kambing in a medium heat of fire. Naglagay po ako ng 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. It's optional lamang po ito. Then, hinayaan ko pa po itong kumulo for about 15 minutes more. Then, pwede na. Ngayon po, eto na ang ating adobong kambing na masabaw. Here's the finished product. Thank you for watching. God bless. Jesus loves you.